Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. It is said long ago, when the great sages like Patanjali and others requested the Lord that they would like to have a vision of his majestic Tandava, he promised them, and accordingly came down to south, to Thillai or Chidambaram, and danced. And when he danced, the 8 corners of the world shook in fear. Adishesha, the snake on whose hood rests the world, the hood crumbled, the earth split, and the Ganges sprinkled, sanctifying everywhere. Seeing this wonderful exposition of Shiva's Tandava, the Devas and other devotees prostrate at the feet of the Lord, seeing his Ananda Tandava, the joyous dance, in Raga Vasanta set to Atata.
भगवान शिव नटराज को समर्पित ये पदम नटनम आडिना। नटनम आडिना एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गीत है जो राग वसंता और अठ ताल में आबद्ध है। इस नृत्य में भगवान नटराज के द्वारा कनक सभा, कनक यानी स्वर्ण, सोना, स्वर्ण सभा में किए गए अलौकिक भव्य लावण्यपूर्ण नृत्य का चित्रण है। कहते हैं एक बार महर्षि पतंजलि, व्याघ्रपाद जैसे ऋषियों ने भगवान शिव से प्रार्थना की कि हम आपका तांडव नृत्य देखना चाहते हैं। तब भगवान शिव ने उन्हें वचन दिया कि जब वे पृथ्वी पर तिल्लई यानी दक्षिण भारत में एक स्थान है चिदम्बरम, उस स्थान पर अवतरित होंगे तो अपना नृत्य जरूर करेंगे। इस वचन को पूर्ण करने के लिए उन्होंने चैत्र माह में दोपहर के समय गुरु पुष्य नक्षत्र में चिदम्बरम में अपना तांडव नृत्य प्रस्तुत किया। कहते हैं भगवान नटराज ने जब अपना नृत्य किया उस समय जैसे आठों दिशाएं थरथरा उठी, आदिशेष का सिर कांप उठा, पृथ्वी अपने स्थान से हिल गई, भागीरथी गंगा जैसे छलक उठी, देवतागण अपार हर्ष से उत्साहित हो उठे और सभी सुर, नर, नारी, ऋषि, मुनि, देवगण उनकी स्तुति करने लगे। भगवान शिव के नर्तन के साथ ही संपूर्ण प्रकृति उनके साथ नृत्य करने लगे और पूरी मानव जाति उनके चरणों में समागत हो गई। आइए देखते हैं भगवान शिव का ये तांडव नृत्य और भगवान शिव के श्री चरणों में हम भी अपने आप को समर्पित करते हैं। नटनम आडिना, अनुजा शाह।
Jai Jai
यही हम बताना चाहते हैं कि आपको एक बहुत बड़ी बात है जो कि कहीं से भी आसान नहीं है। एक दूसरी भाषा जो कि एक बेहद कठिन भाषा है, उसको समझकर उस पर नृत्य करना। पदम के बाद हम बढ़ते हैं भरतनाट्यम की एक बहुत खूबसूरत विधा, स्नेक डांस यानी नाग नृत्य। नाग नृत्य एक बहुत ही विविधता है, बहुत ही सुंदर शैली है, जिसमें एक नृत्यांगना एक सपेरे की बीन की धुन पर नृत्य करते हुए एक सर्प यानी एक नाग का अभिनय अपने नृत्य के माध्यम से करती है। ये देखने में जितना सुंदर लगता है, करने में उतना ही कठिन है। और अगर नृत्यांगना इसे कर पाती है तो ये बहुत ही कौशल, उसके टैलेंट माना जाता है। एक आम भरतनाट्यम की एक जानी पहचानी शैली है। आमतौर पर दर्शक इसे देखना बहुत पसंद करते हैं। नाग नृत्य जो आपके सामने प्रस्तुत कर रही है अनुजा, ये राग पुन्ना गवराड़ी में आबद्ध है, आदिताल में आबद्ध है। यहाँ पर भगवान शिव की जटाओं में आनंद पूर्वक विश्राम करते नाग का अभिनय नृत्यांगना करेगी। नाग यानी सर्प जो भगवान शिव के कंधे का एक आभूषण है, वे कभी देवी पार्वती के कंगन का रूप धारण कर लेते हैं, तो कभी भगवान शिव के कुंडल का रूप धारण करते हैं, तो कभी भगवान विष्णु के छत्र का रूप धारण करते हैं। पर जब सपेरे की बीन की धुन सुनते हैं तो सब कुछ भूलकर, सम्मोहित होकर उस धुन के साथ नृत्य कर उठते हैं। आइए देखते हैं एक सुंदर विधा, स्नेक डांस यानी नाग नृत्य। अंतिम विधा कहलाती है। यहाँ पर नृत्यांगना अपने खुशी, अपने आनंद, अपने हर्ष को, अपने उत्साह को आप सभी के सामने शेयर करती है। तिल्लाना दरअसल प्रतीक है आनंद का। यहाँ पर तालों की अलग अलग प्रजाति रहती है, उसके साथ डांस के स्टेप्स का एक सिंक्रोनाइजेशन होता है। तालों की 5 प्रजाति के साथ नृत्य के समन्वय का नाम है तिल्लाना। आज जो तिल्लाना आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेगी अनुजा, राग काफी पैर और रूपक ताल में आबद्ध है। तिल्लाना में आप नृत्यांगना के नृत्य कौशल को एक बार फिर देख सकते हैं। तिल्लाना के अंत में हम आएंगे मंगलम। मंगलम जहाँ पर देवी देवताओं का, गुरुजनों का, सभी का धन्यवाद दिया जाएगा। भगवान को धन्यवाद देकर इस कार्यक्रम का समापन होगा। तिल्लाना और मंगलम भरतनाट्यम अरंगेट्रम की अंतिम प्रस्तुति अनुजा आपके सामने। अंतिम प्रस्तुति हम चाहेंगे तालियों से आप बच्ची का स्वागत। अनुजा शाह का भरतनाट्यम अरंगेट्रम।
who have spared their valuable time to be here with us. Welcoming Dr. Luigi Santoshji, the Vice Principal of SM Shetty College, the place where Anuja is having her academic education, and she's indeed blessed to have her academic guru here being present on the day of her Arangetram. I request Anuja to welcome her with flowers.
Thank you. Sir.
And the proud parents, you see.
Okay. Anu.
Sri Ram Narayan is going to take care of his mother. On the Mridangam, we had Sri V.R. Narayanan.
Wait. Thank you.
You heard the
Yes. Sir.
Mandamoor Singh was
Sir.
and Shyama was had backstage helping Srimati K. Raman has also left. Then we have Ganesh sir who was operating on the lights from there. A big round of applause of lights.
Madam. Thank you.
उनका स्वागत होना चाहिए। शारदा गणेशन जी, नटराज गोपाल जी, कुछ ऐसे लोग जिनकी वजह वो पवई के SM शेट्टी कॉलेज की वाइस प्रिंसिपल हैं और कई रिसर्च पेपर उनके पब्लिश हुए हैं, PhD इकोनॉमिक्स में किया है। इसके अलावा उनके संगीत में, नृत्य में बहुत। To be the chief guest of this function, Arangetram. I would like to speak about 4 things. One, of course, the lovely art form of India, Bharatanatyam. Then, about Kalasadan, about my own college where Anuja is studying, and of course about my student Anuja. To begin with Bharatanatyam, one of the oldest art form of India, and it is very difficult to learn Bharatanatyam. She has been learning it for more than 8 years, and she has performed it for the first time on stage because that becomes etiquette for her entry to the world of art. So, I congratulate Kalasadan for running this institution for last 64 years and making so many students to perform on stage in this way. Definitely they must have done this performance, so many performances, and educated so many students. But their task and their efforts should not stop here. They should continue in the generations to come, and the art form should continue from the Guruji who is sitting, who is garland of photo you can see, and to the another several generations where even we couldn't enter. So all the best to Kalasadan. And about my institution, SM Shetty College, Powai, Hiranandani, where this student Anuja is learning. She's an accountancy student. Accountancy and art does not match much, but she has proved it matches well. And my college promotes art form very well, and I request Guru to treat her and train her so well so that next academic year she can perform well for the Youth Festival of University of Mumbai. As
there are several programs in my college where we encourage dance, she can be definitely now one of the major part of that. About Anuja, above all, she is academically brilliant and one of the toppers of the college. Anuja, your task, you are blessed actually, because you are blessed with the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Shah, who promotes this art form. As in the anchoring session, Madam said, they speak Gujarati at home and she performed in Tamil. That makes all the difference. I don't have to speak much about it because the way the parents have promoted this art form and to bring her to this stage where Arangetram has been performed is commendable, and I really congratulate her parents on that. And she is blessed with Kalasadhan, gurus of Kalasadhan, who is promoting her so well that today she could perform fearlessly in front of this stage. Anuja, above all, you are blessed with this wonderful stage where major artists from Bollywood and the theatre is born. This is a stage wherein IPTA performs every year, the theatre art form. And I have come to the stage several times to witness my students' performance. So I am so glad that you got this stage to begin. You are really blessed. Your journey is just beginning in the art form. My request is that being in the other gender, you should not stop performing. Generally what happens with us, that once Arangetram happens, we stop the journey. Because it's open and now it's up to us whether to pursue it further or not. You should not stop. You should carry forward. Because I started learning violin only after my 40s. So I believe that there is no age to stop learning. You should continue learning and you should make your institution, your college and Kalasadhan proud of you that she is my student, that we all should say university. All the best, my dear Anuja, and congratulations to Kalasadhan and her parents for bringing up her to this particular platform and showing us so well. Congratulations and thank you so much. I'm really honored to be a stage guest of the stage and I'm blessed to see this performance. And above all, I would like to say what was mesmerizing about this event is definitely the vocalist and Natuvangam, Mridangam and flute, because we were really in that mesmerized world for 2 hours. I'm really honored and blessed to be. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anuja.
Elders on the dais and my dear friends. It's a very memorable occasion for Anuja, and for the last 8 years there was some break in between. In spite of that, she has managed to come back to the field and pursued it with a lot of patience and perseverance, and that has shown on the stage today. In spite of having her final year examinations in between, she managed to devote time, and today she has performed quite creditably. It was all of me to applaud her. She started at our center in Ghatkopar, and two important things I would take this opportunity to mention here. Her late mother Manisha, whose photograph we have placed, she was very much interested and she supported and encouraged her a lot. We remember because she met her at Ghatkopar also, and she wanted her to pursue and do the Arangetram, but unfortunately because of her demise, there was a small gap in between. But then Shilpa Ben and then Chetan Bhai, they have supported and encouraged her, and they have enabled her to perform today. And one more thing, it's not just a commercial organization that Kalasadhan is. Our Guruji always used to, wanted to develop a Guru Shishya Parampara, or a family relationship with all the students and their parents, etc. So in this instance, I would like to mention here, two other students of ours from the same family have also done their Arangetram. They are present here, Toral and Ashka Shah. So She is backstage, and so Toral had done her Arangetam around 30 years back at ISKCON, and then Ashka had done about 7 to 8 years back. So this is the third member of that same family who has come to know her, and it's an honor to introduce herself. And that's mentioned by our guest. She has done quite well, and as a token of our appreciation, I would request
Madam. Thank you.
દીપક શાહજી
એપ્રિશિએટ કરવા માટે સન્ડેના સમય કાઢીને આવ્યા તે બદલ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. થેન્ક યુ.
अनुजा भी कुछ कहना चाहती है. आइए अनुजा. हाँ?
Thank you so much everyone for coming over here and appreciating and helping me to encourage more. Thanks a lot.
Arangetram marks the beginning, it's not the end. So she's just begun, and as an appreciation from our academy, we present them with a certificate of training which she will receive from Madam's hand.
ये कुछ कहना चाहती है.
But thank you very much. You all came. Me and my family are like this means too much for us. And actually તમને બધાને ખબર જ હશે આનુજાની મમ્મીનું સપનું હતું અને આજે મધર્સ ડે છે તો આ સૌથી મોટો ટ્રિબ્યુટ આપ્યો છે આજે. જેમ કે આશીષ આજે આ નથી અહીંયા યુએસએમાં છે તો એને એક રિટર્ન નોટ મોકલાવી છે અનુજા માટે. હું ખાલી વાંચું છું તમારા સામે. I would like to congratulate Anuja for such a magnificent performance. Anuja, એને તારો live performance જોયો છે. Even I was not able to witness your performance, but I've seen you live. I know this was a long journey for you, and finally the day has arrived. I wish I could have been there to celebrate this, the most important day of your life, but I'm sending you lots of love and happiness from US. Thank you all.
कार्यक्रम का समापन करेंगे नेशनल एंथम से. आप सभी से अनुरोध है.
thank you.